In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own poppet for happiness and emotional healing. Whether you use this poppet for yourself or for someone else, this simple magical tool will help to reduce anxiety and increase happiness in whoever you wish it for. My name is Sirena Moon and I'm a magical teacher here at Simple Mystic Miracles. Poppets are a wonderful form of sympathetic magic. By creating your own doll in the shape of a human and then imbuing it with healing intent, magic takes over to work a healing for the person the doll is intended for or for yourself. There are many ways to create a poppet, but for this tutorial you will need 2 pieces of felt or thick fabric, paper, scissors, and a needle and thread. To begin, decide who you are making this happiness poppet for. Are you or someone you love experiencing anxiety or sadness? You can intend this poppet for your own healing or someone else's. Once you know who the poppet is for, now it is time to create it. Step 1. Choose a color fabric that represents emotional healing and happiness, like a soothing blue, pink, or orange. Make sure you have 2 pieces of fabric that are similar in size. Step 2. Draw the shape of a human onto a piece of paper and then place that shape onto one of your pieces of fabric. Cut the shape out. Once you have one sheet cut in the shape of your human, cut the next piece of fabric in the same way so that you have 2 identical shapes. Step 3. Glue or sew the 2 shapes together, leaving space at the top or the head to stuff your poppet. After you fill your poppet, you will sew the head completely closed. Step 4. Now it is time to fill your poppet with magical ingredients that promote and amplify the energy of healing and happiness. To begin, place a bit of dried lavender in your poppet. Lavender is a powerful herb that promotes relaxation and healing. As you place lavender in your poppet, imagine yourself or the person the poppet is being made for feeling relaxed, peaceful, and at ease. See yourself or the person completely stress-free and happy. The energy you emanate as you create your poppet will supercharge your poppet with even more magic. So the more you really feel your healing intention as you create this poppet, the more powerful it will be. Step 5. Next, place dried rose petals in your poppet. Roses carry an energy of joy, love, peace, and feeling good. They are a universal symbol of harmony and love, and they also smell heavenly. One note, if you don't have any of the ingredients I am using, feel free to use any ingredients you have on hand, such as rosemary, thyme, dried flowers, walnut shells, or anything that represents healing to you. Step 6. Next, I place a bay leaf into my poppet for energy purification and to amplify the healing and love I am pouring into my poppet. Step 7. Next, I'm placing dried lily flowers into my poppet. Lilies represent happiness and vitality. As I place them in, I continue to imagine myself healed of anxiety and sadness and filled with renewal and zest for life again. I hold my poppet in my hand and can feel how the intention I am imbuing it with is magically transferring to me or to the person you are intending this for, and that the universe is working its magic to bring healing circumstances, feelings, and experiences that reflect that energy of lightness and emotional well-being that I feel as I create this poppet. Step 8. Place a rose quartz crystal or any small crystal stone or healing trinket that you have into your poppet. Rose quartz amplifies the energy of love, harmony, peace, and heartfelt happiness. Step 9. Finally, place a bit of hair, spit, or fingernails from yourself or the person you are making this poppet for into your poppet. By placing something from the person's body or your own into your poppet, you magically connect the poppet to that person. The poppet is now fully imbued with your own energy or the person you have intended it to represent. Step 10. Now that your poppet is fully stuffed, sew the top of its head completely closed. Step 11. Use a bit of sage, rosemary, or palo santo to energetically cleanse your poppet and prepare it to be blessed and magically charged for happiness. Step 12. Wake up your puppet by breathing life into it. To do this, gently blow on it and say something like, "Wake up, little puppet. You are complete. Your job is to heal," say your own name or the person your puppet represents, "of all anxiety, depression, and sadness, and fill them with love, joy, peace, laughter, and happiness. So mote it be." Step 13. Light an orange candle or any color that represents joy to you and place your puppet next to it. Affirm that yourself or your loved one is completely healed. Say, "I affirm that Jane Doe is completely healed and happy." Take a few minutes to imagine what it would feel like knowing that they are healthy and happy. In your mind, see them smiling. Really see it and really feel it. If the Poppet is for you, really see yourself smiling, peaceful, content, and completely happy. This is powerful. Say out loud, "So mote it be," and so it is. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. You can also click on the link below to our blog where you can learn so much more about altars, spells, rituals, and all things magic.